Currently studying with my siblings. Hello! It's already 1:56 a.m. Good night, guys. It's already 6 a.m. and I can't stay up later than 6 kasi I have to wake up around 11 a.m. Inayos ko lang yung mga kailangang ayusin kasi gusto ko pagising ko, maayos yung titignan ko, maayos lahat ng gamit. Ganun ako. Hindi ako makagalaw ng maayos kapag makalat yung paligid ko. Just woke up and collected all these packages. It's so heavy. At the same time, I want to unbox all of them para I'm so excited kasi I've been waiting for this and let's unbox them. I ordered tiramisu from my neighbor. Hehe. Kain muna ako ng breakfast and then I'll eat this. Wow. Heaven. Hi guys, by the way. Good morning. I look so haggard right now kasi finals week namin. So, magluluto ko ngayon ng brunch. It's already 12 noon now. Luto ko ng brunch. Ito yung meal prep ko na ginawa yesterday. This is giniling. So, it will sustain me for, I would say, like a week. Kasi 1 kilo yung niluto ko. Yeah, and then the rice, I will cook every day. Just gonna reheat this. Pero for sure, hindi to straight na 7 days for me. Kasi bihira akong mag-ulit ng ulam. Pero marami pa naman ako sa ref na chicken tsaka isda. Just gonna reheat this kasi kahapon ko lang ito niluto. And I feel so responsible. So this is my brunch. I cooked this. The giniling that was already prepared yesterday. And then the rest, bago luto siya. And then, of course, we're gonna pair it with chili oil as per usual. Yun lang. Yun lang, guys. Sobrang dami kong kakainin, but that's brunch already. Oh my gosh, I love my nails. I love my nail tech. Thank you so much for making this happen. Ang ganda niya, guys. To be honest, akala ko cherry kasi yung sinend ko sa picture, pero strawberry pala yung sinend ko. But anyway, gusto ko kapag sumasagot ako sa exam soft, tumutunog yung keyboard. But anyway, shucks, wala tong noise cancellation kasi may electric fan. Anyway, I'll just edit it out. Yun lang, guys. Bye. I look so haggard, by the way. I don't have time. Actually, may time pala ako. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I just had my dinner. Tapos na yung exams namin. And I bought some coffee. Ay, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. So, ang gagawin ko, tonight, mag-aaral ako for admin law. Exam tomorrow. At public corp exam for tomorrow. And I think yun lang exam ko. Tapos susunod na araw, hindi ko na alam. I will stay up until 2 a.m. lang ngayon. And nagkising na lang ako na maga kasi masyado nang hindi na maganda yung pattern ng tulog ko the past few days. And hindi na maganda yung pasok ng information sa utak ko. So, adjust natin na konti yung tulog. Okay lang, guys. Just sharing my night with you. Hi, guys. Second day of exams. Done. I was not able to film my I need mag-focus. I wasn't able to film my get unready with me kasi nalubot yung cam ko. So, probably tomorrow or mga Thursday. Kasi tomorrow wala akong exam. And then the next day, holiday. So, mga Friday o Thursday. Parang, yeah. Friday, mag-film ako ng get unready with me, remove my makeup, get comfy with me before going to bed. Yung mga ganun. And currently, I'm blowing my hair because every night after school, naliligo ako. Kasi I feel so lagkit eh. So, everyday yon. Since grade school ako, ganun yung ginagawa namin. Naliligo kami tuwing gabi. Pag galing kaming labas. Yun, nakashare ko lang guys. And continue drying my hair. And then, we're gonna do skincare. I only have one product for my face and my whole body. Sabi ng dermatologist ko, pwede daw yun sa face, yung lotion. So, it's hypoallergenic, it's safe to use for the face, and makes my skin really, really good. I mean, nawawala yung mga maliliit na, hindi siya tagawat eh. Parang tagawat siya, pero hindi siya tagawat. Maliliit na bumps, nawawala siya. Tapos yung roughness ng face mo, nawawala din.